Welcome back to Unano'S Kitchen! Hello everyone! How are you? So today's episode is very special because I'm gonna show you Biglu's mom's recipe of Spanish albondigas with patatas bravas. So you guys join me cooking! For today's ingredients, we will need 1 gram of minced meat. So you can use beef, pork, or any mince you like. If you want lamb, we have here the bread, 1/4 cup of milk, of course 2 eggs, golden breadcrumbs, onion, granules, garlic, smoked paprika, parsley. We have here the pink salt and the ground black pepper to taste, and of course grated mozzarella cheese. And for the sauce, we will need Italian tomato passata, garlic, onion, and we have here the ready-made sauce, onion and garlic flavor. For the albondigas sauce, you can make your own sauce using the tomato passata, or if you want for easier life, you can have the ready-made sauce. But I'm gonna combine both. And of course, the patatas bravas. So this is peeled potatoes that we're gonna dice and fry later on. So let's start cooking! Firstly, wash your hands before we do the prep. And then, let's start. Then, there you go. Okay, chop it now. Hello! There you go, mga mamshis. It's ready. As I said, this is Biglu's mom's recipe. It's her secret recipe. So after the minced garlic, we're gonna go to the onion. So we'll wash the onion first. Dice the onions like this. There you go. Oh, I think it's gonna make me cry now. So that's our prepped. We've done the onion and the garlic. Remi, paso latido, sordo. Okay, let's set aside the garlic and the onion. And I'm gonna show you how we prep the meat. For our second step, we're gonna season the meat. So for the measurement, check for the description below. But I'm gonna show you the measurement. So we will be needing 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using here pink salt. 1 teaspoon of pepper. Garlic granules, we need 1 teaspoon too. 1 teaspoon of parsley. Smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon. And onion granules. So it's stuck, so we need 1 teaspoon. And mix it all together. And we'll put it in the meat. And I'm just gonna sprinkle it with love, my dear, on the meat. You need to be able to enjoy cooking, and I love cooking because this cooking makes me happy, especially if I'm cooking for my loved ones. And after this, I put 2 eggs. There you go. And you're thinking, what am I gonna do with the bread? Of course, I'm gonna eat before I mix. No, 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 no. So this bread, I'm gonna dip it in the mixture of milk. So this is 1/4 cup of milk. Any bread will do. But I'm putting brioche bread for better taste. And then, just put it all there. And for the fun part, this is the part that I enjoy most. Mix, mix, baby. Let's get messy. Messy buko. Hello there, everyone. Calling all our viewers from Philippines, Morocco, everywhere, America. This is our recipe. And to all my friends who wants to learn how to cook, so this vlog is for you because you're requesting this. You want me to cook again, so I'm back. It's better to mix it with your hands. Let it settle for 15 to 10 minutes before we do the balls. And I'm gonna show you how to roll the balls in a minute. Okay? It's time to roll the balls, baby. So I'm gonna show you how to do the meatballs. And this is the most exciting part, which I enjoy most. So I have here the mozzarella cheese. So I'm just gonna put some here. That's the mozzarella cheese. And we will be needing the breadcrumbs. It's time to make the balls. Okay, ready? So we're gonna pinch. I want a bigger balls because I love big balls. You know, big like this. Just grab a piece. And then you grab a pinch of mozzarella cheese. There you go. And then you just close it like that. Fold it like that. And then you roll the balls like this. And sprinkle it with love. No, this is the breadcrumbs. It's nice because it's cheesy inside. So we're putting mozzarella cheese because it's healthy. There you go. We have big balls there. They serve it in Spanish restaurants and you call it Spanish tapas. And one of them they serve is Spanish albondigas with patatas bravas. It's so nice. You can put it on your spaghetti too or pasta. There you go. You can make it small ones if you want. But for me, I like big balls, as you said. The last one. So with 1 kilogram of minced meat, you can make, and I don't know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12. How? So this was. Is that how you count? I have here 12 big balls. So this is the Spanish albondigas. So what's next? We're gonna fry it. We're gonna fry it only half cook until it brown. Let's do it! Camera here, camera there, camera there. Hello, camera. Lights, camera, action! So I'm gonna do 2 things here. I'm multitasking, yeah? So the pan, make sure you heat your pan first. This is where I'm gonna fry the albondigas. And with this one, I'm gonna make our sauce too. So let's start frying. I'm gonna show you. Let's see. It's not ready yet. Let's start sauteing first the garlic. Wow, it's sizzling here, baby. So I think my other pan there is hot, so let's fry it. Let's saute the garlic and then put the onion. You can smell the aroma. You know, this one is frying, so we're gonna put everything there. We're gonna fit everything here, okay? This is the sauce for the Spanish albondigas. And I have here, I always use KNORR chicken cubes. There we go. Let's just wait for the onions to become transparent. While waiting for this to cook, I'm gonna do another dish here. Let's slice the potato, baby. So let's do some multitasking. So we're gonna slice the patatas bravas into small pieces. Yeah. Everything is sizzling in Unano'S kitchen. Hope you guys enjoy watching. Okay, that's how you chop the potato. Okay, this is how you chop the potato before you fry it. This is the patatas bravas. So while this one is cooking, I'm gonna put the ready-made sauce. Any brand will do, but I'm using Kusina, onion and garlic. And let's lower down the heat because it's very angry now. So we're just gonna slow cook this one, okay? And what I normally do, I add a bit of tomato passata and add a bit, roughly just half of it. There you go. Just sprinkle a bit of pepper. If you want it a bit spicy, there you go. While that's cooking, you can close this one. Let's turn it now. See? It's light brown. We don't wanna overcook this one. We're just gonna brown both sides for roughly like 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Don't worry if the balls is not cooked yet because we're gonna cook it inside the sauce later on. There you go. Yeah. While waiting for that, let's go back to our potato. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to Biglunano channel and make a comment down below. And if you have any suggestions of any food you want me to cook, please let me know. Hi to all my friends, batchmates in the Philippines, especially in my hometown, Olongapo City. We miss you, Subic Bay. This one, the patatas bravas, you just need to fry it. So that's for the potato. So this one is cooking slowly. And let's check the bowls. So turn it on the sides too. There you go. Because you don't want to overcook this, otherwise it's gonna be hard. I'm just gonna transfer the balls here. Okay? So there you go. There you go. We're gonna simmer it for 20 minutes and then the balls will be ready. Okay, let's time it. So I'm just gonna remove the excess things in here because you don't wanna waste the oil. just gonna fry it there. Let's just do half so they have time to cook. Let's add a bit more oil because you need to deep fry the potato. After 20 minutes, I'm back. Hello! Hello again. So our potatoes, it's crispy already. So we're gonna take it out from the oil. There you go. The patatas bravas is ready. So let's strain it first with the oil here. You need to drain it. And I'm gonna cook the second batch here. We'll make sure we get rid of the excess oil. So for the most awaited moment, ladies and gentlemen, our Spanish albondigas is ready. 1, 2, 3, surprise! There you go. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of sugar, just 1 tablespoon. I'm adding it to regulate the acidity of the tomato to balance the taste. It's not gonna be sweet, don't worry, but this will remove the sourness of the tomato. Let's try it, mga babies. It's so good. So here's our finished product. There you go! Unano'S Kitchen, Spanish albondigas with patatas bravas. Let's serve it now. This is how you serve it. There you go. Smell amazing. Oh, can you smell it? Let's see what's inside. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Charan! That's the cheese. There you go. Surprise. Now it's mukbang time. So let's try it. It's so good. I can taste the cheese. It's just the right seasoning. So make a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Biglunano channel. And see you again on our next episode of Unano'S Kitchen.